What happened? The road condition is very horrible. See, this is a national highway. See the road, see the bike.
Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my another video. Right now I am in Peren district of Nagaland. This is the orange plantation in Peren area. You can see this. This is Peren. You can see the settlements. So beautiful. Right now I am in Peren town. You can see the settlements. How is that? Can you see the horizons of mountains? This is 129A National Highway which is going to Maram, that is in Manipur. You can see the settlements from here. It's a nice place. The beauty you can see. So this is my first time I'm traveling through this road. So this road will join in Maram.
I'm in Peren district headquarters, Peren. You can see Peren there. Can you see? Can you see the beautiful mountains? You know, this is Naga Hills, part of Eastern Himalayas, and you know the city development along the slope. It's a beautiful. It's a town, but people used to say it's a village. It's a Peren village, and my bike is here. So from here I need to go to Imphal. From here Maram is a place which is connecting the road which is coming from Kohima. So Maram is 117 kilometer. From there again I need to go 100 kilometer more to reach Imphal. The road condition is very horrible. See how I managed. I fell down. So you can see the bike. Border between Manipur and Nagaland. There is a board you can see that is "Welcome to Nagaland," and this is the bridge. I think it's Barak River. There is another board for Manipur, "Welcome to Manipur," and you can see the river. See the river. It's flowing that side. The road condition is very bad. This is the Zuko bridge, the border between Manipur and Nagaland. Can you see the river? I think this is the Barak River. No human beings except me, and bike had some problem.
This is Barak River, and the location is Zuko Bridge, the border between Nagaland and Manipur. The interesting thing is that this is National Highway 129A. After crossing this river, there is a hairpin bend road which will reach in Manipur. You can see the beauty of this place. The beauty of this area is so nice. The sky is also very nice. The horizon, the mountainous areas, all good, all superb. This is Tamengalang district of Manipur. You will see so many beautiful villages are here. And another interesting thing is that the population in this area is very less. You can see mostly Naga people who are Christians here. You can see the settlements are also very nice. The road is not that much good, but the area is very nice. You can see the beautiful villages. And there is a big school here. Can you see that? The mountain is also very nice. See that? There are some villages which is like hanging in nature. You can see from here. I'll show you one village name is Yankulan. That is the village you can see, Yankulan. I'm surprised to see the mountainous, northeast India. This is Tamengalang district, as I told you. The beauty is in mountains, the blue mountains. Sometimes it is very nice. Sometimes, it is having heavy rain. This time it is dry season. You can see even some of the paddy fields there down. And the mountains are also so beautiful. Some place you will see the forest areas. and these are the grounds for the villages. You can see the megalith of Vilongkulen village. It is in Senapati district of Manipur. It is located 37 kilometers from Maram, okay, on the Maram-Peren road. It is home to a stone erection very similar to Stonehenge. Some of the tallest stones are 7 meters tall and 1 meter thick. The village of Yankulen is built on a steep slope of the hills. You can see this. It's a very beautiful, area for tourists. You can see many megalith stones are here, and single stone, you can builds. See the whole mountainous areas here. Right now I am in BRO's camp. They are the one who is constructing these good roads. This is the dormitory kind of thing of BRO, officers. They used to sleep here. These are their, settlement. And this is the road, and the view from here is also very nice. They offered me lunch here. That was very nice experience.
Venugopal. He
I'm
is
from Hyderabad.
He is from Hyderabad, and he is working in Indian Army. You said something?
Now I work with the PRO, Border Organization.
Yeah. See this. Explain something about this.
Very cold area. What I say? Very hills area. Nature is very beautiful here. So many people are so very beautiful.
Okay.
But responsible. Everyone responsible speaking and
Yeah.
everyone understanding English.
Yeah.
No problem.
Yes.
So better has.
Okay. So now you see this area is very beautiful. See that? See the location. So beautiful, this one. And the BRO is doing so many things here. And today Venugopal offered me lunch. That was very nice. Very tasty food.
No, sir. It's a normal food, sir.
Yeah.
Because of there is no available. That's
Yeah.
why we are adjusting.
Yes. No problem. We can adjust
Actually, we
anything.
are South Indian, so maybe we are like spicy food.
Yeah,
but
yeah,
there is everyone must boil food prepare.
Oh.
That's why we are suffering.
Okay.
Again, I restarted my journey towards Maram. So on the way, I saw this area so beautiful. The grassland kind of area. So there is a big turning here. Then I stopped the bike for showing you this area.
I don't know the location name, but this is very beautiful. See, how is it?
So right now I am in Senapati district of Manipur. You can see the road cutting, and even there are so many landslides in this area. So while driving through this road is very dangerous. So you have to be very careful. You can see the way road is cutting from the mountains. This is the landslide area. You can see the debris here. The area is dusty. You can see that debris on the road. From this place you can see the Imphal Valley. I am walking towards the slopes. This area is having nice weather, and the wind also is very nice, cool wind, and you can see the river that side. The valley is also there. Now I am heading towards Imphal. The road condition is very good because of the border road organizations. See, the road is very nice now. I am going towards Maram. That is the main junction. This is Maram. And you can see the rivers in Imphal Valley, the paddy fields in Imphal Valleys. So right now I am in Imphal Valley, heading towards Imphal, the capital of Manipur. There I will be staying in youth hostel. Then I will explore some other places also. So right now I am in Kohima Imphal Road. See the beauty of this sunset. Nice